Alright, picture this. You're late for work, stuck in traffic, and wishing you could just fly over the mess. What if I told you that future isn't just sci-fi anymore? From AI-powered motorcycles that recognize your face to electric jet skis that glide silently across the water, the tech world is rewriting the rules of how we move, and it's all coded by brilliant minds like yours. So, ditch the boring commute and let's explore how the next wave of transportation is going to make your life faster, cooler. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for this one because these innovations are wilder than a Python one-liner. First up, the JA-1 electric aircraft. Picture this. You're late for a meeting, probably another code review nightmare. But instead of sitting in traffic, you hop into this electric flying machine. It's quiet, emission-free, and takes off vertically. Think of it as the Tesla of the skies, but without Elon tweeting mid-flight. This bad boy is like upgrading from spaghetti code to a clean modular app. It's efficient, smooth, and doesn't crash. Hopefully, perfect for emergency responders or anyone who wants to feel like Iron Man on a budget. Next, let's talk about the Shane Electric concept car. It's a two-wheeled car that fits 5 people. Yeah, you heard that right. 2 wheels, 5 people. It's like someone looked at a motorcycle and said, what if it had more seats but still looked cool? The wheels balance automatically, which is great because balancing life, work, and 10 open IDs is hard enough. This is the kind of ride you want for a futuristic commute. Forget the crowded subway. This thing makes you feel like you're coding while cruising through a sci-fi movie. It's so futuristic, I wouldn't be surprised if it auto-generates Stack Overflow answers while you ride. Ever wish walking was less exhausting? Enter the Toyota Concept iWalk. It's a 3-wheeled joystick-controlled vehicle that uses AI to adjust your speed dynamically. Think of it as AI-assisted walking. No, it won't debug your code, but it will make your commute feel like an arcade game. Perfect for dodging pedestrians or gliding through the office. Even better, it's senior-friendly, so you can teach grandma to ride it while teaching her Python. Next, we've got the Honda Moto Compacto, aka the Tesla model set for the sidewalk. This electric scooter goes up to 24 km/h, folds neatly like your laptop, and costs just $1,000. Imagine zipping around town, running errands, or even escaping the bug that just broke your entire app. It's compact, fast, and easy to store because the last thing you need after a coding session is parking stress. Now, let's get serious. Meet the Yamaha Motoroid, a motorcycle so smart it recognizes your face and parks itself. This is like Siri, but on 2 wheels. It can balance on its own and even interact with you, which is more than I can say for some of my teammates during stand-ups. Imagine riding a bike that feels like your coding assistant. It listens, responds, and doesn't argue back. Moving on, we've got the Honda Uni One, which turns your car into a VR gaming console. It uses extended reality XR to display navigation, traffic, and even points of interest on your windshield. For new drivers, it's got VR training built in, kind of like a tutorial level before you hit real-world traffic. Imagine debugging your commute the same way you debug your app, one issue at a time, but with way cooler graphics. Let's take this tech to the water with the Flyway hydrofoil jet ski. It's electric, glides above the surface, and hits speeds of 88 km/h. It's like riding a hoverboard, but on water. Perfect for anyone who loves water sports and hates emissions. Plus, it's silent, so you can enjoy the peace while mentally debugging your next project. Finally, let's wrap up with the InMotion V14, the one-wheeled electric unicycle that can hit speeds of 110 km/h. It's agile, futuristic, and perfect for city travel. Think of it as the MVP of personal transportation. Minimal design, maximum functionality. So there you have it. 7 futuristic ways to commute, code, and live smarter. From flying cars to AI-powered bikes, the future of transportation is built by coders like you. Want more exclusive insights on tech, coding, and programming? Join my free newsletter. The link's in the first comment.